Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set your favorite TikTok sounds as your Android ringtone. So here what you need to do is just find the sound of the TikTok videos that you want, and then here you can click on this share button and copy the link of that TikTok video. Then you can go to your browser in here, and then on the search engine you can just find TikTok sound downloader. This one's right here. So there are lots of options in here that you can choose, but I'm going to use this musically down. So you can just insert the link in here. You can just paste the link that you copied before, tap on download, and now you can just scroll down and there will be this options, download mp3. So just click on that option here. Just wait. You can click on the three dots icon and then tap on download. So the file is now downloaded. Okay, this is the file, the name of the file. You can just find it on your library, or you can just go straight to settings. So you can just find the ringtone options in here, ringtone settings. Tap on ringtone. So here you can just click on this phone ringtone options, and now change it into the music that you just downloaded. Click on this custom ringtone, and then here this is the name of the file. You can see 7422, this one. Click on it and you are done. So now your ringtone is your favorite TikTok sounds. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.